Sheep. Sheep are ruminant mammal, typically kept as a livestock. Donkey. The domestic donkey is a hoofed mammal in the family. Duck. Duck is the common name for numerous species. Dog. The dog is domesticated descendant of the wolf. Cat. The cat is a domestic species of small carnivorous mammal. Horse. The horse is a domesticated one-toed hoofed mammal. Cow. Cow are important domesticated animal that provides meat and milk. Ham. The chicken is a domesticated jungle fowl species. Goat. The goat or domestic goat is a domesticated species of goat antelope typically kept as a livestock. Camel. A camel is an even-toed ungulate in the genus Camelus that bears the distinctive fatty deposit known as hump. Cat. The cat is a domestic species of small carnivorous mammal. Goat. The goat or domestic goat is a domesticated species of goat antelope typically kept as a livestock.